Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix credit card debt with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify your total credit card debt with Discover. Gather all your statements to get an accurate picture. Calculate your total balance, including interest rates and monthly payments. List each card's interest rate alongside its balance. Assess your financial situation. Review your monthly income and expenses. Determine how much money you can allocate toward paying down the debt. Create a realistic budget to manage your finances. Consider contacting Discover directly. Inquire about any available hardship programs. Ask if they offer lower interest rates or payment plans. Explain your situation clearly and honestly. Explore balance transfer options. Look for credit cards with promotional 0% APR offers. Transfer higher balance cards to reduce interest payments. Be aware of any transfer fees and terms associated with new credit cards. Implement a debt repayment strategy. Choose between the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. The avalanche method targets the highest interest debts first. Set up automatic payments if possible. This helps ensure that you never miss a payment. Stick to the payment plan you've created. Track your progress regularly. Review your credit card statements and budget every month. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Consider seeking professional help if necessary. Look for credit counseling services that can assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.